Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Once again I came in front of you. And now see here sir, now I'm going to take here first year topics from 6th chapter, most important LAQ, that is the state and prove law of conservation of energy. What is that? State and prove. State and prove law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. Okay, energy in case of freely falling body. In case of freely falling body. Actually, this is a most important question, sir. Along with this question, you will get here one problem also. Okay, so see here, first of all, this question it is available in my channel. Actually, in that channel, sir, it will become completely blurred. So that's why I am giving here new video will be I am going to upload. Okay, this is most important for first year students. Remember it, sir. And now, sir, see here. State and prove law of conservation of energy. First of all, what is energy? Energy means nothing but if you can ask to the students, they can't be explained that energy because of they have lot of energy. But what they have to do for from that energy, sir, means they are not giving, answer. So that's a CSR. Energy means nothing but the capacity to do the work. The capacity to do the work, that is called here energy. Okay, that is called here energy. That energy can be considered how many types are means two types of energies are. One is the potential energy, another one is the kinetic energy. What is the potential energy sir means the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its height or position. That is called here potential energy. In this potential energy, height is very important sir. Here height will be required. If there is no height, there is no potential energy. Okay. And now sir, kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. That is called here kinetic energy. For that kinetic energy formula is half mv square. For this energy it is required here velocity. Okay, for this kinetic energy it is required here velocity. If there is no velocity, there is no kinetic energy. And total energy, what is total energy sir means? Suppose it can be consist here height and it can be consist here velocity, both are, then you can take here total energy, that is sum of the potential energy and kinetic energy, that is called here total energy. I think everyone you understood this concept, because of why we are going to take here potential energy, why we are going to take here kinetic energy, why we are going to take here total energy. It is depend on situations sir. This concept is very important for the NEET and MSET. Everyone you have to remember. What is that? For suppose in that question he is given here height, then you have to find out here energy means, then you can take, then you have to find out here power means, which energy we have to take here sir means potential energy. Suppose it can be consist here velocity, then you have to take here kinetic energy. Suppose it can be consist here both height and velocity, then you can take here total energy. Okay, I think everyone you have to remember this one sir. And now sir, see here, this concept only most important for this law of conservation of energy. Okay, sometimes it can be consist here potential energy, sometimes it can be consist here kinetic energy. So then we are going to find here total energy. So now see here sir, first of all statement. Statement. What is the statement sir means? Law of conservation of energy sir. Law of conservation of energy. Okay. What is the law of conservation of energy? The energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. The energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be transformed from one body to another body, or one place to another place, or one form to another form. That is called here law of conservation of energy. Simply simply in the statement only is given here. Definitely, I mean in the statement only he is proved here. What is that, sir? Means we can't be create that energy, we can't be destroy that energy. Remember everyone, okay? So that's what we have to do, sir. Means suppose if you want energy, something you have to eat, then only you will get here some energy. Amma, I got energy, I have to do some work. Suppose if you can't eat, you can't be get the energy. If you can't drink the water, then also you can't be get the energy, okay? So energy, how we are going to get here, sir? Means something we are going to get that material in our stomach, okay? Then only we are going to get here energy. That energy only, suppose if we have that energy, then only it is possible we can do some works. Suppose if we don't have any energy, we can't be do that works, okay? So now, sir, see here, law of conservation of energy statement is over. For this law of conservation of energy only, we have to prove here the energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. How we are going to take here, sir? Means for example, let us consider we are taking one object, okay? Let us consider we are taking one object. It has at point A from a certain height, from a certain height, okay? This height is, this total height is h. This height is h, okay? This height is h. At this point, see, when the body can be freely fall, when the body can be freely fall from a certain height h, at this point, okay, at point A, at point A, what we have, what can be considered here, sir? Means at point A means body it has and at the rest position at point A. Rest means nothing but initial velocity also 0, final velocity also 0. So we can take here initial velocity u is equals to 0 and v is equals to 0. But this body it can be pulled towards the earth due to gravitational force, that is A is equals to g, okay? A is equals to g. Now we can take here h height. What is the height here? Total height, sir, means h is equals to h only. So now you can take here formula. Which formula? Potential energy. What is the potential energy formula, sir? mgh. Then again mgh means we can't do anything. Now again kinetic energy. Kinetic energy formula is half mv square. Then again half m into replace of v. What is the value? 0. You have to take and substitute replace of v, 0 square. Then again half m into 0 square means nothing but 0 only. 0 into something, 0. This is the kinetic energy. Therefore, now we are going to find here total energy. Total energy, that is potential energy plus kinetic energy. Potential energy value is mgh plus kinetic energy value is 0. So total energy is mgh. Finally, we got one equation, sir. This is the equation 1. I think everyone you understood, sir. Okay? Carefully you have to do this equation. Okay? And next one. Next one, sir. Suppose the body will be reached. Suppose the body will be released. Okay? Release means nothing but the body will be travel from point A to point B. Point A to point B means it can be traveled. How much distance it can be traveled, sir? Means x distance it can be traveled. Remember, sir, how much distance it can be traveled? X distance it can be traveled. That is, we are going to write here at point B. Okay, at point B. Initial velocity always 0. Final velocity is present because the body will be, it has in motion. We are releases that body. And now, sir, how much distance can be traveled, sir? Means x distance it can be traveled. That distance it is denoted by s. S is equals to x. And now, what is the height from the point B to C? From the point B to ground. Okay. Then this height is h minus x. Total height minus this distance. Then remaining height automatically it will become, sir, that is h minus x. H is equals to h dash is equals to h is equals to h minus x. So now you can take here potential energy potential energy means generally we are having formula that is mgh. Then again mgh means nothing but h minus x. Then again mg into h, mgh plus into minus minus mg into x, mgx. This is the potential energy. Okay, now we are going to find here kinetic energy, sir. Kinetic energy formula is 1 by 2 half mv square. Okay, kinetic energy is called general formula half mv square. But v value we don't know. So now we are going to take from kinematics second equation. That is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. Then again v square minus 0 square is equals to, because of u value is 0. 0 square is equals to 2a. A value is here. What is the acceleration? A is equals to g only, sir. Okay. So now here write A is equals to g. And now, sir, 2g. S value is how much, sir? X. S value is how much? X. So now you will get here v square is equals to 2gx. 2gx. This value you have to substitute in kinetic energy formula, replace of v square. Therefore, kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. V square value is 2gx. Here 2 cancel. M into gx, mgx. This is the kinetic energy. Okay. So now we are going to find here total energy. That is potential energy plus kinetic energy. Potential energy value is mgh minus mgx, mgh minus mgx plus kinetic energy value is mgx, mgx plus mgx minus mgx cancel. Therefore, you will get here total energy is equals to mgh. This is the equation number 2. Okay, equation number is mgh. Equation 2 also mgh. Now we are going to find here at point C. At point C. What it will behave here also, sir, means initial velocity 0, final velocity is present, acceleration a also g, because the body will be moved downward only, both are same direction. And now what is the height here, sir, means when the body can be reaches to the ground, when it can be reaches to the ground, their height is h is equals to 0. Then body will be travel how much distance here from point A to point C, sir, means that is s is equals to h height, h distance it can be travel. The distance only we are taking here, s is equals to h. So now we can take here potential energy. Potential energy formula is mgh. Then again m into g, h value is 0. Then mg into 0, 0. This is the potential energy. But kinetic energy formula is half mv square. But here also we don't know v square value. From this formula only again you will get, but replace of x you will get here h. Same equations are, no need to write here. So directly you can write, therefore v square is equals to 2gh. How it can become, sir, means again you can take this formula only. You will get same as it is. Okay, so replace of v square you can substitute this 2gh. Therefore kinetic energy is equals to half m into 2gh. 2 cancel. So we will get here kinetic energy how much, sir? mgh. Therefore total energy is potential energy plus kinetic energy. Then potential energy is 0 plus kinetic energy is mgh. Therefore total energy is equals to mgh. This is the equation number 3. Okay, equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. What can we conclude here, sir, means according to the statement law of conservation of energy, the energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be transformed from one body to another body, one place to another place, one form to another form. Okay, Means at point A energy is mgh, at point B energy is mgh, at point C energy is mgh. Okay, so from these three equations we can conclude here, hence law of conservation of energy is proved. This is the one complete LAQ. Okay, one complete LAQ means along with this question you will get another one problem, sir. That problem is most important for the final exam also. I think everyone you understood this video, sir, because of each and every information I have given in this video. If you want any other videos, any extra videos or any extra information, better you have to comment in my comment box. Okay, thank you very much, sir.